Lesson number 6, Kolkata. This lesson we have seen in a very detail. Now I will take the review. Lesson number 6, Kolkata. In this, first, what is there? Find out how the following words of greeting are said in Bangla language. How are you? Thank you and hello. That's you have to find out. Here the Kolkata's map has given to you. Here we can observe that Hooghly River is there. So let's see what is there. Kolkata is the capital of West Bengal. Its old name was Calcutta. Three villages were combined during the British period to make Kolkata. The city got its name from the village of Calicut. Calicut is located along the banks of river Hooghly. Banks of river Hooghly, there is a Calicut. Okay, Calicut, this is the name of one village, and from that village its name is there, that is Kolkata. The river connects the Kolkata to the sea. See, if you will observe this map, then you will understand this river Hooghly is connecting the Kolkata to the sea. Kolkata has a moderate climate. Now we'll see about the climate, which is the climate of Kolkata. It is having the sea coastal area, means it is a moderate temperature or moderate climate. It is neither hot or nor cold. ये बहुत ही pleasant है. It is neither hot nor cold. The city receives heavy rain from the June to September, as we know that India having the 3 seasons, and it is following in the different months like this. In the Kolkata city receives the heavy rainfall, and it is from the June to September. The weather remains hot and humid during this monsoon. When there is a monsoon season, that time hot and humid, there is a no cold. If observe, it'll see in the Maharashtra. Then when we compare Mumbai and the what we said, we will compare the Mumbai and Satara. Then what is difference in that? In the monsoon in the Mumbai, there is a humid and hot temperature or hot climate is there, and in our Satara, what is there? It is very cold. Like in the Kolkata also same thing is there. It is having the humid because of coastal area. Okay, it is a humid. Rabindra Setu, earlier known as the Howrah Bridge. It is the big bridge that I have shown you in my previous video how big it is. It is a very big Setu. Setu means bridge. Its name is Rabindra Setu. Earlier it is known as Howrah Bridge. Is the old hanging bridge on river Hooghly. Hanging means which bridge its top is only connected, and the bottom or middle, all the it is free, means it does not have any support, any pole or anything is not there, only top has connected with the poles. Now another bridge has been built on the river Hooghly. It is called the Vidyasagar Setu. There are the two setus, means two bridges are there, Rabindra Bridge and the Vidyasagar Bridge on the Hooghly River. The underground railway system called the metro, local buses and the trains are the important means of the transport here. Howrah and Sildah are the main railway stations of the Kolkata. Diamond Harbour is the important port situated on the banks of the river. As we have seen, these are the all railway station, railway, local buses and all these things. These are the land transport means. And now we'll see about the Diamond Harbour. Harbour means it is the port, or it is related to the water transportation. Miss Harbor is the important port situated on the banks of the river Hooghly. Kolkata is the only city in India which still has the tram network. I have shown you tram in the previous video. Tram network is there all over India previously, but nowadays if we will compare, then only this is the Kolkata is only city having the tram network. Tram means it is the same like the train. Two compartments are there. It has joined, and it's running on the road. It's not running on the tracks. Okay, so it is none of that. It is the small train. We can say it is the small train which is running on the road. So tram network is there only in the Kolkata. Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose International Airport connects the Kolkata to the cities in the India and the world. So if we have seen that land transport and water transport is there in the Kolkata, as well as it having the air transport also. They are having international airport, that is Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. Okay, so with the help of this air transport, Kolkata city has connected with the world and other cities from the India. Jute, silk, rice, paper and chemicals are the some of important industries of the Kolkata. Kolkata having the industries, okay, and in the which industries are there? Jute, silk, rice, paper and chemicals. These are the important industries which are present in the Kolkata. The Fort William as Kolkata in Kolkata is a fort of historical importance. Here is the fort. Here is no picture of Fort William. Fort William is one of the historical place in the Kolkata. The other places of the tourist interest are the Indian Museum, Victoria Memorial, then Birla Planetarium, Rabindra Sarovar, Alipur Zoo, Botanical Garden, and the Belur Mat. The National Library is known is in Kolkata is the biggest library in the India. We can say it is the biggest library in the India. Bangla is the main language spoken here besides the Hindi and the English. Besides the Hindi and English, they like to speak into the Bangla. Traditionally, men wear the dhoti and kurta, but nowadays we are modern. We know that, so they also wear the shirts and trousers. Women's wears the saris and salwar kameez along with the western dresses like the skirts and trousers. The famous festival celebrated in Kolkata is the Durga Puja, and the Kali Puja is the another festival that is celebrated here with the joy. And which games are there? Some games are there which is favorite of this Bangla people, that is the cricket and the football are the most popular games are here. People of West Bengal are creative and traditional. They are fond of music, painting, and other art forms. Their staple food is the fish curry and the rice. They are also fond of the sweets, especially Rasgulla, which is famous all over the world. So here is a fish curry and rice is the picture is given, which is the staple food of these peoples, and sweet also. Their Rasgulla is the world famous sweet dish. We know that. We also like this. Here are some new words you have. Yes, I had explain you. Moderate means pleasant, not very cold or not hot. Hanging bridge attached from the top so that the lower part is free. Which points we have to remember in this lesson? Kolkata is the capital of West Bengal. It is built along the banks of the river Hooghly. Rabindra Setu is the old hanging bridge on the river Hooghly. It was earlier known as the Howrah Bridge. Vidyasagar Setu is the another bridge built on the river Hooghly. The Indian Museum, Victoria Memorial, Birla Planetarium, and the Belur Mat are some of the popular places of tourist interest. Then Bangla is the main language spoken here besides Hindi and English. Fish curry and rice is the staple food of the people of West Bengal. So here I have taken the review. You must have to read this lesson. If any difficulty or doubt, you should ask me once again in my lecture. Bye bye.